Hi everyone, it's Frank, and if you didn't see, Apple's actually dropping one more iPhone this year, and we have it here in all 5 colors to unbox today. So let's get right into it. So this is the iPhone 14 Plus. It has a 6.7-inch display, which is the same size as the iPhone 14 Pro Max. With the iPhone 14 Plus, Apple actually got rid of the mini iPhone, so in the last couple of years, Apple made an iPhone 12 mini and an iPhone 13 mini with a 5.4-inch display. So there are 5 colors this year, including red, blue, purple, midnight, and starlight. So the first color we have to unbox is Product Red. So Product Red is actually one of my favorite colors on the iPhone because every year Apple just nails it with this color. Let's do this one first. Here we go. Okay, these pull tabs are always super satisfying. And here it is. Oh my gosh, this red is amazing. The unboxing is pretty similar to last year's iPhones. We still have our USB-C to lightning cable in the box, but no power adapter. Next, we're gonna unbox the blue. I got to check out the blue iPhone 14 this year, and I really love this new blue color. It's kind of like last year's iPhone 13 Pro, but the back glass isn't matted. Okay, next we're gonna check out the purple, and here it is. Oh my gosh, I also love this purple color. Next up we have the midnight. So this color is really interesting because it's kind of like a mixture between a black and a blue. The blue is very, very subtle, but it's a black with a hint of blue. I really like it. And the last color we're checking out today is Starlight, and here it is. Okay, so the interesting thing with this color is that it's kind of like a silver iPhone. It does have like a little hint of gold, but I don't know why Apple wouldn't just call it silver. I don't know where the name Starlight came from, but it's fine. Okay, now that we've unboxed all the phones, let's move on to my second favorite part, the accessories. So every year you either go with an Apple clear case or silicone case. For some reason I can't do the leather cases because I tend to get them all scratched and scuffed up. Opening these cases is always super satisfying. And let's put them on the iPhone 14 Plus. Let me know down in the comments which color and case combo is your favorite. One of the new features on the iPhone 14 is called car crash detection. Basically, if your iPhone detects you were in a car crash, it can automatically call 911. Another new feature is satellite connectivity. So if you're ever somewhere without Wi-Fi or cell connection and you need help, your iPhone can actually contact emergency services over satellite, and it's super cool. Apple removed the physical SIM card slot in all US models in favor of eSIM. I saw some people were having trouble with their eSIM setup, but I got mine working just fine. The iPhone 14 Plus does have the same A15 Bionic chip as last year's iPhone 13, but with the new 12 megapixel wide camera, you should notice better low light performance. There's also a new feature called Action Mode, which actually gives you gimbal-like stabilization on your videos, and it's super cool. And that's gonna do it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up below and also subscribe so you don't miss my next video. I'm gonna be making a bunch more long-form videos here on YouTube in the coming months, so be sure to leave a comment down below with the video you'd like to see me do. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!